James Sr. loved speaking with anyone that was willing to listen to him talk about his family and his life experiences. And even with onset dementia, if you put him in front of a piano, he could remarkably still play Amazing Grace. While recently moved to a new assisted living and memory care facility, he had fallen and hit his head while left unattended in his wheelchair. Even though the facility had assured us that they were equipped, trained, and knowledgeable to tend to his personal and medical needs, they still failed to notify a doctor, have him examined, and assured us on several occasions that he was fine. Even went as far as the next morning to cover a visibly large contusion on the back of his head with a hat while dressing him for a routine visit. 2 hours after arriving at the hospital, he was unconscious. 2 days later, he passed away from a brain bleed caused by the fall. It was never our intention to file a lawsuit, but we learned early on that mistakes were made. We went to the internet and did a lot of research to try and find the best representation, and that's how we found Moran Law in Santa Ana. They were quick to respond and to gather the facts, and they were very thorough. When we met with Mike Moran and Lisa Flint, they made us feel comfortable while dealing with something so hard. They were compassionate and confident and delicate while taking us through the process. They never made promises of financial recovery, but assured us that with their expertise and knowledge that we had a strong case. Mike and Lisa were always very sensitive, and they asked us what we wanted first, and they listened, and then they guided us with what they thought they could do and be successful in accomplishing. While the settlement was more than what we ever expected, it still didn't bring cheers of joy like seen on TV. It brought a sense of gratefulness and definitely closure. We knew the outcome was the result of them working hard for the best result to honor the husband, dad, and grandfather we all loved, and to show that his life meant something. We will forever be grateful to Moran Law, especially Mike, Lisa, and the supporting staff that worked on our case and believed James Sr. was worth fighting for.